Welcome to Inside MDI. In a world where technology is advancing at an ever-increasing rate, almost every industry must rely on their electrical and mechanical systems being automated. At MDI, we design and integrate the systems that run the world. We work in all industries: food, pharma, material handling, even defense. The opportunities are endless and always evolving. Come along as we get the inside scoop on controls engineering and what your journey at MDI could look like. Let's get started. First, we need to understand what automation is. Consider a bottle of soda. Thanks to automated control systems, that bottle will get filled, labeled, and shipped to the exact store you will buy it from. How does that bottle get filled? How does a manufacturer mass produce those bottles? It would take too long for one person to fill each bottle. That person might even overfill one bottle and underfill the next. We can use machines to automate this process. The machine will be faster, more accurate, and therefore more efficient. This in turn allows for the manufacturer to make more and subsequently sell more. This is where control systems come in. So, how do controls engineers actually control a system? On the field level, an engineer will use devices, actuators, and sensors as inputs and outputs to a system. Inputs act as feedback from the system, reflecting what is physically happening in the automated process. An example of this would be a photo eye sensor that energizes when an empty bottle is present. Another sensor can be used to tell when the bottle is filled to the correct volume. Outputs are what is actually being controlled, like a light to let the operator know the system is running, or a valve that can open and close, allowing soda to fill a bottle. Inputs and outputs are simply electrical signals going to and from devices. A PLC, or a programmable logic controller, is an industrial computer that interprets and controls these signals. As controls engineers, the team at MDI defines what a PLC does, usually by writing ladder logic, a visual programming language. The engineer will tell the PLC what to do with the input feedback and when to turn outputs on and off. If machines and sensors are arms, legs, and nerves, PLCs are the brain. Before this journey ends, let me leave you with a thought. Just like cars, PLCs and most devices we interact with come in many different brands, makes, and models, and newer versions come out every day. However, unlike other integrators, MDI will work with any brand, any device, and any system. Because of this, MDI engineers are highly skilled, highly sought after, and our days can look very different from one another depending on what type of system we are working on. Feel free to reach out to an MDI representative to find out what some of those concentrations can look like, or head to our website at mdiadvantage.com/careers for more information.